Kalong ke bai mensim batan kemani kinorep sotrun jong kajela dan kajingla ban penya iyo bahayo sotrun hagata masa sotrun nega pineapple festival arjara posau kabala penlong hakisan sengilan ter hanong ba Delhi. Ia kene kata masa sotrun kabala sedang lalu kashpau tarep bat kabala penkutno akasni ublei kakasau tarep naitung arjara posau adilihat New Delhi. Hakabau menteri rang ba kajela ukonrat ke sama dalade ulawan ban sakilah kene kasngikut tak bayo ru benekran berkinorep kinong sengkam bat kinong kai katkum kajingi ulum jengte blaitu bahakane kata masa kebasan semilenter lawan ra ayu sotron nala kajong kajela kumba khandaya du ispotan ha kabahadu kasni balapan kutno ekte kata masa lala bandilut bar menteri rang ba bakran syakila pathai kubor ulang pagane kade kesin kebaar baga sarkar kapenlong ekte kata masa sotron kum kalat ban kentiwi kinorep bakinla ban penyayo ontang hapo kajela hari-hari India Basyakiri juga perthai. Menteri rang ba ulong ru baganekan omku tang tau senam hari ka sarkar ka kemilanti ban penlong e kabakum kane kata masa sisin manau senam. Menteri rang ba ulong ru bada kajing penlong e kata masa sotrun kalong ru kum sibanta ban penpau perthai ya kajing ruspa ka kalsyo juga jela kalat na kamta kinong rap kinong sengkam sengjam lajong bar kunjuru karansan na kamta kisamla bakit penpau perthai ya kisap ipong kumaka sabrwai nalor kiwe hagite kisan sengilan ter rasa kiru bakinong Delhi kinong Meghalaya kibasa akte ganong ba nalor kiwe kibreu kibadan hakte ganong ba kilatoi benwan ther usotrun ban pauru baude usotrun ubabang bathiang tam.
So we are very happy that we are having the second edition of the Meghalaya Pineapple Festival. As you're aware, we started this festival last year, and the objective really was to allow the products that our farmers, almost 50,000 farmers are involved in pineapple plantation and farming, and almost 35,000 metric tons of pineapple is produced in Meghalaya every year. And the objective is to really expose and give a market to our farmers. We realize that almost 50% of it gets spoiled because we are not able to market on time. So we are hopeful that festivals like these will bring out more opportunities for our farmers and be able to get a better market, a better price for the products that they're making. This is also an opportunity for us to start somewhere, because it's not just pineapple. We are also exposing and giving a taste of our culture to the people, of our different customs. We're also giving a taste to our entrepreneurs and exposure to them, allowing them to connect to other entrepreneurs and other markets. So there is a larger picture and larger goal behind this festival, but a festival is a very positive way to send that message. And that's why we are very happy with the response. Last year we got good response. This year the response has been even better. And it's a process, and we do expect that this Pineapple Festival will become an annual calendar event where people will be looking forward to this particular festival every year. And we're hopeful that with this, many of our farmers will be able to get the kind of benefit that they deserve, the market that they deserve. This is being done for our farmers. This is being done for our entrepreneurs. We are happy that they have participated, and we are thankful to the organizers and everybody who has helped us in making this program a success. And obviously we thank all the public that has been so positive and so enthusiastic to come forward and be part of this particular Pineapple Festival. So I wish again the festival the very best, and today in fact we are the closing. Response has been great, and we look forward to next year's festival. Thank you very much.
Music program. I don't know if some of you know this or not, but I also was a struggling musician at a young age. So I tell the people that we used to play the music before, but now we face the music more. So that's how life is. But that experience as a young musician made me believe that the youth need to be supported to follow their passion and what they believe in. And many a times we fail to do that as a society and as a government. The MGMP, the Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program, supports 3,000 artists. These artists perform in different cafes, different restaurants, different tourist spots, and the government pays them every time they perform. And what happens with that is that obviously it is a source of income and livelihood for them. The tourists enjoy the music, and the youngsters are able to follow their passion. So it's a three-way win for everyone. And what you'll see today is some of the members, as I said, we have 3,000 such artists. Some of them, as I said, never got the opportunity to ever perform in platforms like these. So I'm very excited for them. And I know that they will make us proud, and there's some lovely music. So do support them. Your support is very important to encourage our youngsters. Our youngsters need encouragement, need the support when they follow their passion, because that's how we make sure that they do the right thing in life and not follow into the wrong things in life. So we need to give them the platform. I'm happy that they are here, and I wish them all the best. Good luck, guys.